Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I have another brand new 2026 Model X Plaid that we just finished customizing with our TLargo-R wide body program and so much more. Jumping right into it, let's talk about the color. No, this is not diamond black. That's the only shade of black that Tesla has right now, and for those of you that don't like a metallic flake with your black paint, it's not the color for you. This customer wanted to achieve two things. First and foremost, he wanted a gloss, shiny black exterior appearance, but he also wanted to protect the paint underneath from road rash and rock chips. So we went ahead and wrapped the complete exterior using T-Max Hyper Gloss Black Color Change PPF. He's got this beautiful gloss black mirror finish, and he's also protecting the paint underneath. Now, of course, let's talk about the wide body program. TLargo-R is outstanding, starting off with the gloss carbon fiber lower front apron underneath the front bumper, and then moving right into the first set of wheel arches, kind of fender flares. But as you can see, they are not carbon. Well, at least they are underneath, because the customer did not want to have an exposed carbon fiber appearance on the wide body fender arches, or fender flares as we also call them. So we wrapped those in gloss black T-Max PPF to match the rest of the vehicle. Continuing along the side, beautiful gloss carbon fiber exposed side skirts, rocker panels, coming up on the rear Falcon wing door into the rear quarter panel, another set of flares, and then as you come around the back, my favorite is our carbon fiber rear diffuser. Now what we did here to make it special and blend a little bit better, this area right here of the rear diffuser is normally carbon fiber, but we went ahead and wrapped that section in gloss black PPF so that everything flows nicely. It accentuates the carbon fiber rear diffuser. We've got our carbon fiber rear wing, and all of the exposed carbon fiber is also protected with T-Max Gloss Clear PPF. So the whole exterior now is protected from road rash, rock chips, door dings, things that could compromise the carbon or the paint. To finish off the TLargo-R program, we've got our 22 spoke, 22-inch T-Largo wheels finished in gloss black, floating T-Sportline center caps to cover up the mounting hardware. These wheels beautifully show off the red performance brake calipers. So that's T-Largo for you. Now, a couple small additional touches. Gloss carbon fiber front fender camera housing covers, gloss carbon fiber side mirror caps, some window tint, of course, and then the icing on the cake, to protect it all one step further, T-Max ceramic coating applied to the complete PPF area, the wheels, the brake calipers, the full interior, to allow for much easier cleanup, help prevent degradation, and overall just adds a nice sheen and a nice finishing touch to all of those areas. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, it's very easy. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.